I brought another exciting video today, and today is going to be about the wires that we find in our mask. In the mask, there is a wire that is contained inside of the top of the mask to cover the nose to make it properly fit. And so today we're going to talk about a couple of the wires that we do find and around your house. And if you find them, please do sanitize them and go ahead and use them inside of your mask at the top, the ones that you make. And then the wires that's on the end, bend those on the ends, bend them inwardly so that they can keep you from harming yourself. And I hope you enjoy the wire video to show you the wires that you may find in your home. Hi! Today I have a problem solved for you. You're wondering, where is the wire? You know, you're looking for these wires because it's in the mask. In the mask, right up here at the top, it's the wire that makes it fit a lot better. Now, some of you may look for the pipe cleaners. The pipe cleaners are these little fuzzy things that you find in the craft section. Some of you might find it in your area, some of you may not. If you don't see it, no problem. What you can do is look around your house. Now, around your house, you might find just the right idea for you. I have some things that I found around my house, and I'm going to show you some wires that may work for you. First wire is a paper clip. Everybody have a paper clip. I know you got a paper clip somewhere. All you need is about 4 inches worth. They go 4 inches right here on my ruler, and as you see, this is 4 inches. Okay, you can use this wire. All right, 4 inches. It easily go right across the nose, right there, right there. Okay, that will work for you. Another thing that you might find that you might have put up in the attic. Okay, this is a hook. You see this hook? It's a wire on there. This wire will work. However, here's one that is smaller. It's a little bit shorter than the 4 inches, but it will work for you. That's all you have. You can use it. And you probably could put 2 of them together and give you the strength, you know, that you need if you need a little bit more strength on it. Because some of them may be more flexible than others. What we also have is, you see this? It's a spiral notebook. If you have a spiral notebook, you can take that spiral piece out. That's a wire. That wire will work for you. Also, if you have something like this that hangs around on your wall, you see this? All it does is sit there on the wall. Now, some of you may have them, and it might not be something that you're using at the moment. It might be in your attic as well. Go get it. Pull it out, take that wire, and use it, okay? That is the solution for you. Now, also, you may not even have known, last but not least, we have a flower. See this? This is an artificial flower. It has a wire on the inside. It's bendable. You see that? It bends right over your nose. You can use it. Now, what you want to do is, see the end of that? The end of this is where I kind of like pulled it back, and I did that with the scissors to expose the wire that's on the inside. There is a wire that you can use, okay? Use your wires around your house. That's my tip for you. Those of you that can't find wires, now you have them. If you don't have them, somebody in your family have them, your friends have them, somebody has these items in their home, and you can find your wire for your mask today. The nugget dealing with the wires is just simply this. See how straight this is? When it comes to change this wire can bend. It can do all kinds of things. It goes any way that you put it, up, down. You know, it will just do whatever you desire for it to do. Okay, and the same thing with our lives. Okay, our lives change. You're gonna hit change all kinds of ways in your life. You will hit change at summertime, spring. You have fall, you have winter. These are changes that happen in our lives. We have loss of loved ones. We have babies coming into the world. We have graduation from school. We have failure in a job, or got fired from a job, or quit a job, or starting school again. You know, all of these different changes that happen in life. Married, divorce, you know, just changes. When you accept the change and begin to bend with the change, it goes a little bit better for you. But when you resist the change, that's when you can get to a place of breakage. Anything that won't bend when the force against it is more powerful, it breaks. And so for you, my nugget would be to bend with the change, okay? Allow yourself to accept what's going on, and you take a positive attitude about it and change with it. Bend with it and know that it's going to all work out for your good, okay? No matter what the change is, it's going to work out for your good, okay? So when you take on that kind of thought, then you'll know that life may not be as hard, you know, when you bend with the change. Or with the wind, okay? Hello, people. This is Talisi, and you're Sewing with T. And I was doing the video of where are the wires, and while I was doing it, I was going through the different wires that you find in your home. Well, my mother, she saw the video, and she came to me with some wires that she found. This is mustard green. I don't know if you can see this, but it says mustard greens. Can you see that? Mustard greens. And she also found one that was found on cilantro. Right there. I was so excited because, you know, I'm seeing that, you know, we get innovative and we think of ways that we can make things happen. And so with that thought in mind, my mother, she began to think about wires, and that was very exciting to know that there are other wires that are out there around your home. So if you need a wire, just keep looking and you'll find them. Let me know what wires you find in your home. Thumbs up, subscribe. Have a great day.